A woman was walking down the street when she noticed a beautiful parrot in a pet shop window. Intrigued, she went inside to inquire about it. The owner mentioned the price and casually noted that the parrot used to belong to a strip club. Despite this, the woman couldn't resist the parrot's beauty and bought it. She brought the parrot home, setting it up in the living room. The parrot looked around and exclaimed, "Oh, new place, very nice." Amused, the woman called her daughters to see their new pet. The parrot observed them and said, "Oh, new place, new girls, very nice." Later that evening, her husband came home exhausted from work. The woman called him into the room to meet their new family member. As soon as the parrot saw him, it cheerfully greeted, "Hello, Barry.